Hey YouTube, Redbeard here at Tomwood Toyota here in Whitestown, Indiana. And today I am sitting in this beautiful 2020 Toyota 4Runner. And what we're going to go over today are the steering wheel controls on that vehicle. If you like this video, show your support, give us a bunch of these. We need a ton of them. Hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification button so you know when the latest content's coming out. If you have any questions, hit that comment box down below, put those comments in there, and I'll answer them very quickly. Or feel free to contact me directly, as my phone number is down there as well. And now, let's get into it. Starting on the left side of the steering wheel, you have these two buttons here, that if you push one of them, it will skip through your presets on your radio. This right here is your volume up and down for that, and then you have your voice command button, which can be used for your navigation, your radio. It can also be used to use Siri with Apple CarPlay or your Google Assistant with Android Auto. I'm going to show you a quick command you can use with your radio real quick. So if I press and hold this, Ozzy's Boneyard.
Ozzy's Boneyard.
So, as you can hear now, got a little bit of AC/DC playing here. Love those guys. Moving on to the next button, if you press and hold this, it paused Sirius XM. If you want to start it back on, or start it back up I should say, just press and hold that again. And this beautiful song is playing once again. I'm going to go ahead and turn that down real quick. Moving back over here, this is your answer and hang up for your phone when it's connected to Bluetooth. These buttons here correspond with what's on the screen right here. So, using the up and down arrows, I can scroll through things that are displayed here with this section. And let's see, let's go to this one right here. So you'll notice, let me zoom in just a little bit, pushing the down arrow, going through all these things. You've got a couple back buttons here. This one's probably the easiest. Just hit that, and I'll show you just real quick. So I hit that button again, it takes me back to the beginning right here. You also have your dynamic cruise and lane keeping. And what you're going to do for that, let me put you back out wide here. You're going to have to first hit this cruise control right here. So I'm going to push that in once. It's going to display right here. And then it'll say radar ready, of course, and then you have to hit this button. And as you can see, zoom in just a little bit. That right there, those bars represent your distance behind the person ahead of you. More bars means further away, less bars means you get closer. And then the lane keeping button here, right here, if that's on, that's this right here. So it will beep if you don't use your turn signal and you veer out of your lane. It will also tug the steering wheel if you veer out of your lane to put you back where you want to be.